Good morning, I am Sandra Habana and welcome to Capstone 2 Week 2 Lesson 1. Okay, so class, yes, you already finished watching the video about the 8 common reasons why people learn English. Did you already relate yourselves? Okay, so is your reason included in those 8 common reasons? Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. So yeah, regroup yourselves. Okay, I need 8 members per group. So how many are we, or how many are you? Okay, so I think we can have 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Yes, group yourselves. 4, 5, 6. Okay, 8. So yes, there you go. So what you're going to do? Okay, get your mobile phone. But we only need 1 mobile phone for each group. Okay, so yes, who's going to use the mobile phone? Okay, whose mobile phone are you going to use? James. Okay, how about here? Alright, Sue. Okay, go ahead. So now I hope, yes, you remember those 8 common reasons. So we have 8 members, right? Okay, you're going to film yourselves. Yes. Okay, make a video using your mobile phone. Okay, so yes, place your mobile phone in a steady position. Okay, yes, so every member should speak in front of the mobile phone. And okay, you choose. Brainstorm first the 8 common reasons. What are those? Do you remember? Okay, so assign yourselves. Maybe you're the first reason, second reason. Okay, Paula, third. So okay, you choose who's going to speak first reason, second, up to 8 reasons. Okay, now, okay, you're going to create a story in front of the camera. Okay, so you introduce yourselves and then, okay, tell the first reason. So for example, okay, the first reason is because it is part of the curriculum. Okay, so yes, you have to explain that. And then next person will be in front of the camera and speak about the second reason. And the third person, the third reason. Until you finish all those 8 reasons. Okay, so I'll give you maybe 10 minutes to do that. Okay, yeah, go ahead. Okay, yes. Assign who's going to say or who's going to have this reason. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, I think you all remembered. Very good, very good. Oh, she already started. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Keep it. Yes. Okay. Yes, finished. Oh. So what do you think? Was it fun? Yeah, you feel like you're an actor, actress in front of the camera. Okay, so review the film, review the video. Okay, try to watch. Okay, yes, and try to listen how you deliver the sentences. Are they correct? Okay, yes, go ahead. Oh, she's laughing. Why are you laughing? Okay, so now I'd like you to exchange videos so that another group can watch. Yes, exchange videos. Okay. Yes. Oh, why are you all laughing? Are you shy? Oh, don't be. Okay, what do you think of this group? Okay, are they good in front of the camera? Yes, they are. Okay. So, let's see if we still have time. Okay. Okay, now go back to your seats. Okay. So, yes, in the computer. Alright. In the computer, I'd like you to use the word processor. So, yes, you have to write 2 paragraphs, okay? 2 paragraphs about the reasons why you are learning English and why it is important to you. So again, you have to write 2 paragraphs why you're learning English and why it is important to you. So you can submit your work, okay, in Slack, okay, or Skype, okay, and then I'm going to give feedback using the tag changes. Okay, very good everyone, congratulations. So that's all. Thank you.